Hello, welcome to TextureMath. In this session, we will cover the further values for the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking my program in edit mode. And here you can see we have declared three variables. So these variables you can declare by referring IBM official website. And once variable declaration is done, then you can use RTVSYSVAL command. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4. And here you are supposed to pass two parameters. One is the system value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold that value. Now if you want to know more about the values that we can retrieve from the system, then press F1. So once you press F1, it will open you one window, help window, where you will get the information regarding all the values that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command, and with their description. So just once you got the information and description of the value, then you are good to directly copy it and just use it inside your program. Okay, so these are the value that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So I'm directly taking you to the value that we are going to discuss today, which is QPRBHLDITV, which means problem log entry hold interval. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Okay, second value is QPRCFEAT, means processor feature. The the it is the processor feature code level of the system. You cannot change QPRCFEAT, but the 4-character value can be displayed or retrieved in the user written program. The processor feature system value is the same in each partition on the system. Third value is QPRCMLTTSK, which means processor multitasking. So these are the values. If you are getting 0, it means the processor multitasking is turned off. If 1, then processor multitasking is turned on. If 2, then processor multitasking is under control, system control. So this is how you got the information. If you want to know more about it, then you can refer this IBM official website for additional information. So now we got the information, we will simply copy it here, and this is how our command will look like then. And similarly I'm doing it for the other two values. So once these 3 lines got executed, we will be able to retrieve the output, and then we are printing it. So for printing I'm using sndpgmsg command. So just write sndpgmsg, then press F4, and here you can pass your variable name. If variable is of type decimal, then or any other type apart from character, then you can convert it using the %char built-in function. Okay, otherwise you can pass it directly, like other two values are already character types, so you can pass it directly. Okay, now these line will print the output. So let's see how the output is getting. I'm calling it, so it is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So first output we get is 0, second one is EP52, and third is 2. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you, and in the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TextureMath.